Yeah! Welcome to my world. Are you ready to rock? Let's do this! We are gonna rock this place. Rock and roll will never die, yeah! I'm Rocky, loud and wild. Fastest player, coolest style. Do you know how many notes there are?
There are 12 notes that create beautiful music.
12 notes?
That's awesome! Absolutely!
Bet you can't play every note.
Oh, I can, with the chromatic scale.
C, C sharp, D,
F, F sharp,
G, G sharp,
A sharp, B.
then C. Awesome! Now let's read the chromatic scale together. Remember, we don't skip any notes. This is C, our starting note. Next is C sharp, then D. Each is a half step.
Skip no notes, and that makes it chromatic.
Wait, let's see every note together.
The chromatic scale includes we move only one half step at a time.
Watch carefully. C, C sharp, D back to C.
That's why it's called the chromatic is included, one half step at a time.
Whoa! No skipping?
Exactly! Every single step.
Half step,
One by one,
that's the way.
music's fun!
The chromatic scale.
Every note in order helps music grow from C to C. Now you can see!